The 66th Annual Fairfax County 4-H Fair at Frying Pan Farm Park is an event that's for the community and it's by the community. And you're going to experience all kinds of community activities here and a good place to meet your friends and neighbors. We'll also have carnival rides, delicious fair food. It's a wonderful time. Well, the fair categories, there's 18 different departments, and 16 of those are open not only to 4-H members, but to the general public. So if you have a hobby or something you enjoy to do or make at home, you can bring it to the fair and enter it if you've made it within the last year and see if you're blue ribbon worthy. If you like to do needlework or sewing, if you're a woodworker, a photographer, there's a huge range of classes you can enter. Home baked goods, home canned jelly, black and white photography, color photography, different kinds of crafts if you do pottery, or even if you're into science, there's actually a science and technology competition too. And it really kind of represents all the different things that would have gone on in a rural community that helped the community grow and develop and, help them be a stronger community. And it was a way to have kind of friendly competition among you and your neighbors. Anything that's part of our culture and really people are proud of sharing with their neighbor and community, you're going to get to enjoy those things here at the fair.
Well, my latch hook is of a little doggy face and it has a lot of color changes and it's fun to see everything that people have done, and it's like, wow, these people have spent so much time doing this, and that's what they do. That's what they dedicated their time to, and it's cool.